awesome talk. Next topic is networking and content delivery. Will be covered by Elen and Vahe.
We'll be from both ends. So, we spoke about the AI, agents, hearts, then we spoke about some other awesome stuff. Now it's time for the vessels where all the traffic flows, so networking, content delivery. We'll share pretty quick, like a couple of news.
Hello everyone, I'm Elen, the instructor and also AWS community builder, lots of them. Here you can find CD directory, span, and here is Vahe.
Yeah, that's me, Director of Engineering TerraCloud. I teach at AUA, I'm ex-AWS, community builder and academy instructor, and CD directory. Let's move on.
Okay, so next few minutes we are going through some announcements. So first of all is AWS Interconnect multi-cloud. I think everyone knows that multi-cloud is really hard to set up. So Interconnect is business. It's something that give you opportunity to have private, secure networking across some clouds. So here is how it's working. You can see here. So it's this cloud, one cloud, for example, AWS, and here is, for example, GCP. And here is the connection between them, and you don't need to think about how it's connected and so on. So here is more details about. It's fully managed by AWS and the other cloud providers that we work with. So it means that it simplifies your multi-cloud networking, so you don't need to think about connectivity between hardware or virtual routers. So it's more easier and few minutes, no need to do it during 2 or 3 months. Also, it's really secure because it's using max-like encryption by default, so devices configured like that. So if it's not enabled or something wrong, the network connectivity will not be. So encryption is by default. Availability. For now, it's available public preview. It means that you can use it, but you have to request for that, and AWS have to accept your request. For now, it's free and for 5 regions, but when it will be generally available, there will be some cost, and information as well will be after general availability. So also, yeah, for now it's available for Google Cloud, and it will be available for Azure as well at the end of the 2026. So next topic is accelerated recovery in Amazon Route 53. So you can see here in the domain name, there is accelerated recovery. You just need to enable it. What's it doing? It's designed for business continuity feature. So yeah, I think you know about the outage later when we had at Virginia. So after that, they discovered to have this feature. So it's helping to do DNS critical changes even if there is big outage in Virginia. So it's helping businesses to keep everything available, reliable, and it's amazing. So there is no additional changes for it, and it's available for now for all public hosted zone for all regions. Next one.
So previously, if you have to kind of understand if your VPC logs, if your VPC traffic is encrypted or you want to enforce it, there was no way to do it. So now you can monitor your VPC flows between VPCs, different VPCs, and inter-VPC. And you can see in your VPC flow logs if the traffic is being encrypted. And if you enable the enforcement, then traffic will not flow if it's not encrypted, so it will not be allowed. So, yeah. So we all know like quantum computers are coming, and we all are afraid of these because they can decrypt stuff that is being encrypted with non-crypto, non-quantum encryption algorithms. So ALB and NLB now support post-quantum key algorithms. Even though like quantum computers are not that much available right now, but hackers can collect the data now so that they can decrypt it later. So start early on and enable post-quantum algorithms module lattice algorithms, based algorithms. So you are more secure in future. So you know about private link. Those are very easy setup endpoints, which will allow the traffic to flow between AWS using AWS internal network links. Now it is available also between different regions, not just inside one region. And all the features that we've been talking, those are available, generally available in all regions, by the way.
Next is flat rate pricing plans. So Amazon just announced new pricing plans. I think it's most important part in network because there is a lot of traffic that it might be so cost. So it's introduced new pricing. What is that? You are giving just one price monthly. If there is some different plans, I will show you. Yeah. Single monthly price for CloudFront and other some services that you can see listed here, like more or less about network connectivity services, and you are paying just monthly for the plan, and you can use services and pay just for that plan. But there is some limits, depends on which plan you are using. But it's really good, and there is no average charges when traffic spikes or maybe some DDoS attacks, and you will see a lot of traffic in your network, but there is no additional cost for that. So it's available now, yeah, and you can use it. Yeah. Yeah, by the way, you could do it by console. Next is quick pass-through in AWS NLB. I think you can listen, you already listened about Quick. It's new protocol in network. It's newest version over UDP. So it's using TLS 1, TLS 3, and now Amazon has already in NLB, Network Load Balancer. So you can use it, and also here in the picture you can see there is a Quick and TCP Quick, yeah. So you can use it in listeners and use as you wish. There is not any extra cost for that. It's also generally available for now. And that's all. And if you want to see anything more details and technical part in each topic, we have QRs, and of course at the end Christina will give you the all documentation.
And the last one, this one is very useful as this to me. So now you can verify JWTs in your AL application load balancer, and the configuration is very easy. It's like you just provide an action to when you create your ALB, and your action looks like this. So validate config, you provide your JWKS endpoints, and for example, I would like to verify the issuer, and then ALB will do the rest.
Okay.
So those are our LinkedIn profiles.